Good morning, sir. I am Ashutosh Pandey from Section C. My presentation is on IBM Cloud. IBM Cloud is defined as an enterprise-grade full-stack platform purpose-built for data-intensive AI workload and cloud-native application suites delivered on software-definable infrastructure. It includes platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, software as a service offered through public, private, and hybrid cloud delivering models. Then the types of delivering models are private, used when organization has requirement to utilize one premise infrastructure, security policy, investment equity, like limited bandwidth, etc. Then dedicated, it is used when organization has isolated requirements for security and performance reasons. Then public is used when organization embraces encrypted multi-tenant data and shared process model. Then IBM provides tool to help client managing multi-cloud environments. Then it contains IBM Cloud Automation. It is a multi-cloud self-service management platform runs of IBM Cloud that empowers developer and administration to meet business demands. It allows us to deliver and manage services through end-to-end automation while enabling developers to build application. Then workflow automation. It includes software that uses rules based on logic to automate business processes and reduce or eliminate time consuming tasks. IBM Cloud Automation support multi-cloud, it which is used of cloud services for multiple vendors, which gives organization more flexibility to optimize performance, control cost, etc. Then the case study for IBM Cloud. The challenge in this case study is to exit incumbent provider, migrate to dual Europe IBM Cloud data centers, and Linux and Windows application requirement design, built, migrate, and managed in IBM Cloud. The solution is L3C selected by client. L3C stands for Low Profit Limited Liability Companies, and IBM Cloud reseller partner for final design, build, migrate, and ongoing operational services based on technical solution and expertise, commitment to SLAs, which is service level agreement by cloud, and commercial models. The outcome is build and migrate completed on time, allowing time exit from incumbent, fully operational services including backup and DR across dual European IBM Cloud data centers, complex issue overcome by LC3 technical expertise without jeopardizing project plan. L3C manages services, allow client to redeploy staffs and on more business oriented projects. With the advantages of IBM Cloud: flexibility. Users can scale services to fit their needs, customize application, and access cloud services from anywhere with a good internet connection. Efficiency. Enterprise users can get applications to market quickly without worrying about underlying infrastructure cost of maintenance. Strategic value. Cloud services get enterprises a competitive advantages by providing the most innovative technology available. Then the disadvantages of IBM Cloud. In some cases, it can get slow and present problem of delay synchronizing and does not have much of memory. Issues faced in data transferring at the time peak hours. The troubleshoot is not easy sometime. Some references are too big that they stuck in web browser, and if you don't have internet connection, you can't access your data in the cloud. That's one of the most important disadvantage. Thank you.